Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to sign up on Sunwaves and set up our account on Sunwaves for us to be able to verify our Dr. X. So these are Sunwaves now. If you don't have Sunwaves, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store to can get it. Now I'm going to open it and let's set it up and let's see how it goes. So yeah, this is the app. The app is still loading. Let's wait for it to load finish. So don't forget, if you don't have your Sunwaves, you'll not be able to verify your Dr. X and you'll not be able to connect your wallet on Dr. X. So now we need to sign up using our email address. We're going to there now. So you enter the email address. Once you click on it, click on sign up. And the next thing is you can see there's a code being sent to the to the email. So I'm going to go and get the code. So now let's go and get the code. Just go to your Gmail directly and you get the code there. So I'm going to go to my Gmail. So once you enter your Gmail, let's switch for it here. Okay, this is it. So you have 170. So I'm going to go back to my Sunwaves now and click on it. So I'm going to write 170. You can see, and you can see automatically it is been loading. So welcome to click on next step, click on next step, next step, next step, and this is it. So you're going to enter any nickname that you want. So I'm going to write A. Now the next thing is after that, click on your next step. Now you can see your friend receive. Just write any nickname there that you want. So I'm going to write and click on complete, and this is it. Now it is complete. Now your current balance is this. You can see, click on complete. You're almost done. So click on join on Telegram. So click on join, and that is it. After that, just go back to it, click on verify and click on close. Now what we need to do is skip all. Now what we need to do is we need to get our okay. So what we need to do is you can see we are done. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.